In this video, we're unboxing the Wyze Cam V4. It's got 2.5K color day and night vision and can be used indoors or outdoors. So let's take a look at this. It also works with Amazon Alexa and Google. So once we open this up, we can see we've got our quick start guide right here. We pull this out and inside we've got the camera. So this is the V4 camera. I can just push this through, I think, and that's going to give us the camera here. And so I've got the camera now, and then once we open this up, let's see here, you can see what the camera itself looks like, and we can pull this up, and now we've got this stand right here for the Wyze Cam V4. It's got a little cover on it, and it is made for indoor and outdoor use, and you can tell it is more sealed up than previous cameras. And then inside of here, we've also got our cable for the camera. We've got, it looks like a mounting bracket. So this is a magnetic mounting bracket, as you can see there. So you can put that wherever you want. And you also have this sticky piece here, so you could just peel and stick it on. It's kind of like a GoPro mount. And then what is left in the box, we've got a couple of screws, and we have our charger here, or our connector. So you would connect this to the camera here, that's going to power it up, and then you've got these two screws for mounting it. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Wyze Cam V4.